mean, the history of the site here was it was the old clay pits for brick making in Chickerell. In doing so, they disturbed the groundwater and flooded. They flooded once the pits closed. So a few years after that, my grandfather Norman Bennett saw the opportunity. He already had an interest in growing aquatics and water lilies, so he took on the site and planted up the lilies, many of which are still here now growing. There's a few national plant collections in the UK. We've got the largest collection. It's a reference collection, so like I said, there's over 200 examples of different species and cultivars on display. We've also started growing lotus in the last year, which you see on the in the tropical house at the entrance.
Could you tell me a little bit about your Monet bridge?
Okay, so that was installed here in 1999, and that was done in the year that Claude Monet's famous water lily pond painting of 1899 was on display in London. So we recreate the painting rather than the actual garden in Giverny. So that's why we've got the blue colour to match the painting. We also do weddings. The gazebo here, that's been used for the past 15 years to conduct wedding ceremonies. We've got the cafe, which does small functions. You know, Dorset cream tea is, you know, quite a popular one, as is the Dorset apple cake, which is always nice served warm with a bit of clotted cream.